Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the compact bone. Okay, very interesting and important topic in histology. First, about the structure of compact bone. Structure of compact bone. When we examine a section of compact bone, we find that this type of bone is also made up of concentric lamellae and is pervaded by lacunae and by canaliculi. This lacunae containing the osteocytes. Most of the lamellae are arranged in the form of concentric rings that surround a narrow Haversian canal present at the center of each ring. The Haversian canal is occupied by blood vessels, nerve fibers and some cells. See here guys, Haversian system. What mean the Haversian system? One Haversian canal and the lamellae around it constitute a Haversian system. Once again, one Haversian canal and the lamellae around it constitute a Haversian system. This Haversian system also called osteon. See this figure guys. This is the Haversian system. Okay, these are the concentric lamellae. Okay, all these are the concentric lamellae. At the center of these concentric lamellae, a narrow Haversian canal is present. This one. See here. This is the Haversian canal, and this Haversian canal is occupied by blood vessels and nerves and by some cells. Once again, this Haversian canal is occupied by blood vessels, nerve fibers and by some cells. And we have to note that Haversian system is nothing but Haversian canal that is surrounded by the lamellae that constitute the Haversian system. Once again, Haversian canal surrounded by the concentric lamellae constitute the Haversian system, and this Haversian system also known as the osteon. The compact bone consists of several such Haversian systems or osteons. Between adjoining osteons, there are angular intervals that are occupied by interstitial lamellae. Once again, compact bone consists of several such osteons. Between adjoining osteons, there are angular intervals that are occupied by interstitial lamellae. These lamellae are remnants of osteon, the greater parts of which have been destroyed. Near the surface of the compact bone, the lamellae are arranged parallel to the surface. These are called circumferential lamellae. See this figure guys. These are the Haversian systems. Okay. These are the Haversian systems, and between these adjoining Haversian system, angular intervals are present. Okay. These are the angular intervals, and these angular intervals are occupied by the interstitial lamellae. See here. All the spaces occupied by the interstitial lamellae. Once again, these are the Haversian systems, and between the space between the Haversian systems are occupied by interstitial lamellae. Okay, this space is occupied by the interstitial lamellae. This one. Okay guys. And the next point is near the surface of the compact bone. This is the compact bone, and this is the surface. Near the surface of the compact bone, these lamellae are arranged in parallel to the surface. See, these are the lamellae, and these lamellae are arranged in the parallelly to the surface of the compact bone. Okay guys, and we call these circumferential lamellae, and we call this as circumferential lamellae. Next, When we examine longitudinal sections through compact bone, we find that Haversine canals run predominantly along the length of the bone. Once again, we find that in longitudinal sections, Haversine canals run predominantly along the length of the bone. The canals branch and anastomose with each other. The canals branch and anastomose with each other. They also communicate with the marrow cavity and with the external surface of the bone through channels that are called canals of Volkmann. See once again, these Haversine canals also communicate with the marrow cavity and with the external surface of the bone through canals of Volkmann. See here, when we examine the longitudinal section of compact bone, these Haversine canals run along the length of the bone. See here, these are the Haversine canals in longitudinal section, and these Haversine canals communicate with the marrow cavity and external surface of the bone through the Volkmann's canal. Okay, note this point guys, the Haversine canals communicate with the marrow cavity and with the surface of the bone through the Volkmann's canal. These are the Volkmann's canal. Okay, all these are the, see here, like this. Okay, total communication in this Volkmann's canal. Blood vessels and nerves pass through all these channels are canals of Volkmann, so that compact bone is permitted by a network of blood vessels that provide nutrition to it. Once again, blood vessels and nerves pass through canals of Volkmann, so that compact bone is permitted by a network of blood vessels that provide nutrition to it. Next, we are going to learn about the points that you have to write in examination of histology of compact bone. Okay, the points that you have to write compulsorily. We see one by one. First, a transverse section through compact bone shows ring-like osteons, or we call these osteons as Haversine system. A transverse section, you have to note this, through compact bone shows ring-like osteons. Okay, this is the transverse section. In transverse section of compact bone, we can find the osteons. Okay, these are the osteons, ring-like osteons. At the center of each osteon, there is a Haversine canal. See here guys, this is the Haversine system or osteon. This is the Haversine canal. Okay, this is Haversine canal. All these are the Haversine canal. And next point, around the canal there are concentric lamellae of bone, amongst which there are small spaces called lacunae containing the osteocytes. Around the canal there are concentric lamellae of bone, amongst which there are small spaces called lacunae. See here, the spaces between the lamellae. This is one lamellae and this is another lamellae. Okay, and the space between these is the lacunae, and this lacunae is okay, and this lacunae contains the osteocyte. You have to remember guys, three type of cells are present: osteocyte, osteoblast and osteoclast. I am telling here is osteocyte. Next point, delicate canaliculi radiate from lacunae. These contain cytoplasmic processes of osteocyte. We note this point in cancellous bone. See that one. This may help you in understanding more. Next point, interstitial lamellae fill intervals between the Haversine system. See here, between the adjacent osteons, the space is filled with by interstitial lamellae. Near the surface of compact bone, the lamellae are arranged in a parallel manner. These are circumferential lamellae. These are the circumferential lamellae. Okay, guys. I already told about all the words already in the structure of compact bone. Just I am explaining you what the points you have to write in examination when it comes in anatomy of histology of compact bone. Okay, see here, this is the circumferential lamellae. It is nothing but the lamellae near the surface of the compact bone arranged in the parallel manner. We call these lamellae as circumferential lamellae. Okay, next point, Volkmann canal interconnecting the adjoining Haversine canal may be seen. We can see this Volkmann canal in longitudinal section. Okay, I already show you what mean the Volkmann canal and its structure. Volkmann canal interconnecting the adjoining Haversine canal may be seen. The appearance of compact bone is so characteristic that you are not only likely to confuse it with the other tissue. Okay, very clear, guys. See once again, Haversine system are osteon. At the center of this Haversine system, Haversine canal is present. In this Haversine canal, it is occupied by blood vessels, nerve fibers and some cells. Okay, in Haversine system are compact bone. These lamellae are arranged in a concentric manner. Between these lamellae, lacunae are present. In these lacunae, osteocytes are present. At the surface of the compact bone, these lamellae are arranged in a parallel manner. We call these as circumferential lamellae. Between the osteons, the angular space is filled by the interstitial lamellae. Okay, this space is filled by interstitial lamellae. Okay, guys. Okay, I think I cover all. If you like my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications. Thanks for watching.